Sabi nila, bawal daw magpa-thank you during burial. Pero sa family namin, very unconventional. We wanted to make an exception kasi I wanted to take this opportunity to thank all the people who actually helped our family, especially na kasal si Mama. We also wanted to extend our gratitude to St. Peter Bikutan who actually arranged this tribute for her. And of course, as we actually gather this evening, it's not just about mourning that we've lost her, but more of celebrating her life. To many, she's being called as Nanay Lita, Ate Lita. Yeah. But for us, we call her as Mama Moncha. Ito, hindi ko ata matatapos. Mama has been our OG gala, as you've seen on the photos. Hindi ko nga alam na nagkikiya pala siya. Kahit saan pa yan, kasama yan. Mula sa Caroline, nung nasa LPDC siya, mga opening ng mga SFs dito sa Cavite. Different tributes. Ayan, tribute na ngayon. Tagaytay at kung saan-saan pa. She's also known as being palaban. If she has a point, she'll make sure that she'll speak up. There was even an incident when my son got into a fight at school, and then Mama overheard that someone is actually trash talking said, ayun, ending si Mama yung napaaway. Inside our household, siya din yung mabilis ang kamay. Let me share a few things about her. My mother used to work in a government agency as a cash clerk. After retirement, she continued to work as a St. Peter plan agent. We don't have the fancy escapades together, but I can vividly recall whenever she brings me into their office. And she let me use those typewriters. We always go to SM Center Point and even Harrison Plaza, syempre buo pa yun. Before, I used to wonder, why does she need to work all the time? And through the years, I get to understand and admire her. I guess sa kanya ko naman na yung pagiging addict sa pagtatrabaho. Ang aming mga senior, especially si Mama, loves us unconditionally. She's the most generous person, aside sa papa ko, that I can even think of. And I don't think that there's any family member who can actually contest on that. She's not even the typical housewife, but she works relentlessly so she can provide and share her blessings to us and up to her great-grandkid. Kahit na nagkasakit siya, kami pa rin ang iniisip niya. Bilang spokesperson ng pamilya na to, let me share a few things that Mama would have been saying. Mama is indeed unique and a lot of shortcomings. She's a very difficult person to love, especially na nagkakasakit na siya. But know that she loves you. Ate, sabi nga niya, just recently changing. Despite everything, you are not disappointed for her. But instead, after all the battles you have fought, she's proud of you. And she loves you so much. The Jedi. Kanyang pangalan na ako. Despite all the palo and nor, she loves you. And she's very happy to your success. And she wanted to thank you for taking care of her, especially when she got sick. To Trish, Ayel, at paborito niyang apo na si Deb. You guys gave Mama the joy and opportunity to be a mother on those years that she did not get to maximize it with me and Ate. So, sa inyo siya bumawi big time. To Lodi, sa family nating maingay, you bring Mama the joy. So always know that Mama loves you so much. To Ian and Lawrence, I can confidently say that Mama appreciates all the efforts that you guys always offer to our family, lalo na sa kanya. Lalo na nung nagkasal siya. Yung dating Tres Marias na dalawa na lamang ngayon. Tita Yoli and Auntie. Na daw kayo laging magtalo. Wala man daw siya physically. remember that she always wants the best for both of you. At para sa akin, despite of my shortfall, yet to receive the validation, lalo na pinapakilala niya ako sa mga kasamahan niya. I know too that she loves me unconditionally. Haba na lungkot ako, pero sa totoo lang, konti pa lang yan sa kung ano si Mama. Sa heaven kasi hindi ka na namin makikita in person. Lalo na yung mga bloopers mo o kaya pag nabad trip ka. You can no longer hear your laughter. But we are comforted by the thought that now, no more hard selling of plan. Para makakota ka, no more cancer, no more pain. Literal na no more pain. Don't worry about us. Siyempre magtatalo-talo pa rin kami kasi kami to. But know that we are all together and we love you so much.
Ayun naman po ang